You need help?
Yeah.
What do you think it is? What do you think it is? Oh. What do you think it is, buddy?
What is it, buddy?
Looks like a car. Let me see.
Not a car.
It's not? Let me see. Let's open. Hold on. Oh, oops, sorry, sweetie.
A car.
Oh! Open it!
Look in the camera. What is it, buddy? What is it?
I can't see it.
What is it? What is it?
A check.
A car.
Car. I got a car. I got a car, Daddy.
You got a car?
I would like it. It's 1932 Ford.
How you opened it?
Oh my goodness. That's like Gigi's first car.
Yeah.
When she turned 16, that's the kind of cars they had.
Yeah.
Get this out.
Hi.
Hi. Can you say hi, Gigi? Say hi, Gigi. Matthew, can you say hi, Gigi?
Hi, Gigi.
Can you say it again, louder?
Hi, Gigi.
Elizabeth, can you say hi, Gigi?
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Daddy's gonna have to help Mommy.
Hi.
Matthew, not so loud.
I think you need a screwdriver.
Okay. Say bye, Gigi.
Bye,